Getting to know what makes your employees tick is so important if you want your company to stand out above the rest. Here at Lightning Problem Solving, we believe that a company that cares can be the best in their industry. People thrive in an environment where they feel respected and appreciated. So how can you make each of your employees feel personally valued so they want to do a good job for you? This video is the first of a 3-part series I'm doing on questions managers should ask their employees. Today, I've put together a list of questions you can use to identify how to motivate your employees. I promise if you ask your employees these questions and you act on their responses, you will see a huge, amazing change in your workplace. Because each of your employees are different, there's not a one-size-fits-all motivator. You'll have that one employee that will treasure the plaque he received in high school and show it off the rest of his life, while another will throw hers in the trash can so it's not junking up her house. But if someone would occasionally ask her about her weekend or compliment her on her baby pictures, she would be one of the happiest and hardest workers you have. So if you want to be a sloppy, mediocre company with a high turnover rate, just look down your nose and say, "Get to work, everybody," and go on about your business. But if you care about your company being the best in the industry, best quality, happiest employees, best overall ranked company, then listen up. The first question is, what motivates you? Or in other words, what makes you feel valued and appreciated? Are you more motivated by applause? All you have to do to motivate me is to tell me how awesome of a problem solver I am and how great of a job I'm doing. Some people, all they need to hear is how awesome they are. Tell them they're doing a great job and they won't let you down. Or appropriate interaction. My one buddy, it doesn't matter how many times I tell him how awesome he is and how his ideas have helped our company. All he's looking for is a firm handshake and a pat on the back. Or are you motivated by authority? If you appreciate my work, forget the fluff and just promote me. Some people thrive off being in charge. If they're not up for a promotion, but they're doing a good job, giving them control of something probably will motivate them. Awards or rewards? Another lady I worked with could care less about a pat on the back, and she had more authority than she wanted. But what she'd really like is a tangible token of appreciation. Give her a gift card to a nice restaurant, and she would know she was appreciated. Are you motivated by assistance? Some of your workers just need you to recognize the workload they're carrying and offer assistance if you see they need it. Help them out if they're overloaded. You'll be telling them you're not alone in this. Your company values you. Or are you motivated by attention? You'll find that some employees just need a little attention to feel appreciated. These employees will care deeply on how well you listen to them. Ask about their trip to Disney World. Look at the pictures of their dog. See if they have any great ideas for the company. They might also enjoy a company outing like golf or bowling. Being a manager that understands what motivates your employees will give you a huge advantage over your competitors. That brings us to question number 2. Anxiety or amusement? Which motivates you more to perform your best? If deadlines or overload or just trying to get everything done so you don't have to work on your day off is what drives you to work your hardest, then anxiety is your motivator. If hopes of earning a raise or an extra vacation day is what drives you to work your hardest, then amusement is your motivator. I recommend amusement be your motivator. And third, what's your personality? Are you more of a thinker or a feeler, introvert or an extrovert? I recommend every company makes their employees do a personality test. Some people are easy to talk to, but people with very different personalities are probably harder to talk to. It can be really helpful to understand where they're coming from when you're communicating. I like to know the personality of everyone I work with. Understanding your employees and knowing what motivates them is so valuable if you want your company to stand head and shoulders above the rest. The 3 questions I gave you today will tell you everything you need to know about what motivates your employees and what makes them feel valued. Whatever you do, don't miss next week's video. Today we talked about identifying motivators. Next week I'm going to give you my 30-day challenge. 3 questions that will revolutionize your workplace. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any lightning fast problem solving tips. See you next week.